After our hike along the Israel National Trail, we ended up here in Nahariya. Nahariya was founded 1933 by German immigrants and has got now 58,000 inhabitants. Beach day today. Nahariya must have done up the sea promenade fairly recently. It's all very nicely done with parasols and cycling, pedestrians kept separate. We are staying in the Sea Life Hotel.
Do you want the one with blood on it?
Also,
Eine. Jetzt schon. Eine bitte.
we are room 310. And we've got a whole little living room area. And here's the bedroom. Quite a big bed. Another settee, so that a third person could sleep here. Television and a bathroom. The whole room was 120 euros, booked on booking.com. And he said we've been upgraded to a senior suite. And the view from the balcony. The pool. Has got an indoor swimming pool. This is classic Israeli breakfast, shakshuka, egg in tomato sauce. And here lokshen pudding, some noodles in egg and cheese. The last time I've seen a sign like this was in Japan. Tsunami warning. Check out the Israeli bakery. Loads of biscuits in plastic containers. And also a lot of fresh things. Savory as well. I do like the sesame thing. For lunch we have some falafel in pita bread and a selection of salads. And Lorraine is very happy.
And tahina sauce.
Let's visit an Israeli supermarket. Matzah crackers are available already for the festival of Passover in a couple of weeks because people don't eat bread. Here in the bakery department.
These got like almonds.
Are they to dry?
They look like it.
It says poppy seed.
No, it's chocolate.
The choice of hummus in an Israeli supermarket is absolutely mind-boggling. With za'atar, with chilies, chickpeas, fine, rough, amazing. Here's some nice pomelos, cauliflower, cabbage, aubergine, peppers, sweet peppers. And tomatoes.
Here's more exotic
And
fruit.
citrus, oranges, lemon, avocado, and I think this is all stuff from Israel. Grapefruit. Nice. More tomatoes. Pear. More pear, kiwis. Party fruits. What are they called, Lorraine?
Maybe a calves and fardels. You don't ask you about plastic bags, you just help yourself.
We headed up north and reached the ancient settlement of Acre, which has changed many times during the centuries, from the Phoenicians to Ottomans to Romans, and at the end there was a Palestinian village here, and that has been depopulated, but now it's sort of a campsite and a national park. And just over there is actually the Lebanese border. This is the entry to Acre land, an autonomous region here in Israel, and it was set up by Eli Avivi, and he passed away. I don't know who runs it now, but let's check it out what we can find. The autonomous area is like a state within a state, and you read there is a museum, but it's not very welcoming, so we might as well turn around. Here are the remains of an old railway track which was built by the British and went all the way up into Lebanon to Beirut, and which is totally unthinkable nowadays. But maybe one day it will open up again. Let's hope so.
This is a memorial to Benny Yonassi, aged 18, who was killed in 1995 when a Katyusha rocket hit him on this spot from Lebanon, which is just over there.
We had such a big breakfast here in the hotel that we just need a little snack for dinner, and one of our favorite food items in Israel is just bread and hummus. You find it everywhere, nice bagel bread with sesame seeds on it, and just to have it dipped in hummus is the best thing in the world. For tonight's dinner we also have some non-pork salami style sausages, very spicy and delicious. We are taking the bus to Akko. We reached Akko and are entering the old city. We booked ourselves into an apartment, which the owner said dates back to the Crusader time, so about 1,000 years old. There's a kitchen, and they discovered during the renovation two wells which also should be more than 1,000 years old. There's no water in there anymore, but they have been kept in the bathroom here. The amazing thing, in our new flat we can watch our own channel. Historic town center in Akko, which is actually World Heritage. So I expect a lot of tourists around here. But the first impressions are it still looks quite authentic here, and there are local people, and it's not too touristy.
Ja 4 gdje stavljaš? Šta njega pitaš?
البتالة لا يوكي
والله طول عمرك 40 شركة. كبير. والعالم تشتري. يلا نضيف.
عادي بحب تحتيها؟
The port of Akko was the most important harbour in the Mediterranean for trade until the arrival of steamships. Then they built a new port in Haifa, just over there. It's like fully automated. We found an old bakery in the historic area, and I think he's sort of doing a satay bread. Here's the baker. We did buy a satay flatbread, the one we saw him make it, and Lorraine has got some tomato on it as well. So real local food. You want to go again to the...
I don't want to buy anything, I just want to see.
This might be closed here now. This is a baklava bakery, and we stopped for a little snack. And they have also some specialty, which is sort of, there is some cheese in it. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's cheesy and sweet on the baklava. The alleyways in the old town take you back in time, and it's quite an adventure to navigate them. You can get lost very easily. Going up the city walls and hopefully get a bit of a bird's eye view over the old city. Lorraine is sitting down there. She saw a hoopoe, which is Israel's national bird. More than 90% of the old city's residents are Arab, so there are plenty of mosques, but there is also churches and synagogues. For dinner we are going for a falafel tonight at this place here. Yeah. Nice.
It's really tasty.
Our visit to Akko is coming to an end, and we are leaving the old city through the same gates we came in. It's been really nice in Akko, and to get a bit of the noisy, busy flavors of an Arab town. But now it's time to go back into the wilderness, and we are planning a wild camp on the beach. So let's see if we find We found a nice little spot here to set up our tent, and there's even an existing fireplace. I rearranged it a bit so we can have a fire later to keep us warm. So everything prepared. So let's just go to the beach, which is just over there, and watch the sunset. We have a little fire going next to the tent just to keep the chill off. Good morning from our campsite. It's been a very comfortable night, not too cold. And Lorraine heard an owl in the night. That was a nice thing. And there has been a beautiful dawn chorus this morning. We are returning back to the UK now. We will take the train to the Ben Gurion airport in Tel Aviv and then fly back to London Luton. So overall it's been a good visit. Israel is challenging, but it has very good pleasant side. The public transport is very cheap, so getting around is really good. Food is a little expensive in restaurants and stuff, but you can always fill up with falafel, which is reasonable. And we love to buy hummus and just dip flatbreads and nice breads in it. So you can do it on a budget, but so overall a good trip again. So we can recommend Israel as a destination, but you have to prepare that it's a little bit different. So what do you think, Lorraine? What do you?
Yeah, I think it's been fascinating. We've done a lot of different things and seen some amazing sights, and yeah, it's been really good.
Okay, see you in the next one. See you on our next visit. Bye bye.